Good morning, friends. Today we'll start this lab exercise. Lab exercise LE-16, question 1. C and D together are same. D is included C, and this is a cylinder, very important lab exercise in industry. So whenever you are going to design a container or tank, so we need to develop this surface before the designing. This is very important parameter, and let us start. So this C problem is very simple and we can finish very quickly. As you know, like a paper, if you roll the paper, it will become cylinder. Okay, simple one. And if you open, it will become a rectangle. So that rectangle is a development of surface. Now let us start with AutoCAD, how to draw this. So if I open this circle, it will become a straight line, and this length from here to here is called a perimeter. And it is given by, it is a perimeter and it is given by perimeter. Remember, this perimeter is equal to pi d, pi into diameter. So if I open it and I make a straight line, it will become pi d. So if you open the paper, then one length will become pi d, this vertical horizontal length will become pi d, and horizontal height will become 12.8. So simple rectangle we need to draw for development of surface. So let us start now. As usual, now draw the as it is view. The diameter radius is given 3.c. See, this is a wrongly mentioned. If the circle is complete, we need to give the dimension 5. This is a standard. This is a standard, and this 5 is double of this. Okay. So if it is a curve, then radius is given, generalize. So now we will draw this top view and front view. So this is by third angle method again. So here draw the line near about 10 or 11, 30, no problem. Zoom near, go and zoom, and then draw the vertical line as usual. So if the projection is there, we need x-axis and y-axis. So make this on, it's not so important. Okay. Now I will draw the circle of radius 3.7. So click on circle or draw the horizontal line from here to here. This is a center line. Make this line on this line and draw the circle with a radius 3.7. Enter. And now draw the rectangle with a 12.8, and what is that? Or you can project it. So go to the layer line, click on line and check vertical line, enter. Yeah, this is 7.4. Enter, escape. Then change the color line of bilayer and draw the line, horizontal line from here any distance. If this distance and this same, no problem. Enter. Then select this line and offset 12.8. 12.8 down. So this is little less. I can select this and I can use first extend and then trim. Extend this line up to here, see, up to here, and this I will stretch it back and then again select and trim. So I don't want this. Okay, this I will take it little outside as a center line. So this finish your given view as it is by layer. Now the same step, if this is a circle, we need to divide minimum 8, maximum 12. So maximum we will get the smooth curve, minimum we will not get the smooth curve. So how to divide it? First we will divide this line circle in 12 parts. Later on we'll use the divide. So if I open the surface, how it will be surface? So I will do a projection line from here to here. Yes, okay. And then I will change the color line by layer, and from this line, this line, colors. This is starting of the surface, so I can make this up to here, and this I will make this up to here. Okay, so this is starting of the surface. Now it will be a rectangle. If I open this circle, this length will be pi d. So here I need to mention, and what is the pi d now here? The diameter is double, multiply by 2, 7.4. So pi into d is 23.3 digit. I will write 2 digit, 248. Okay, write 3 digit and select the precision 3 digit. Okay, you will get more correct. So here I will write, see it is coming to precision only. So I will go back to annotation, precision, modify, and here I will select 3 zeros, precision as 3 zeros. Good, okay, close. Now I will draw the line. How much? The perimeter. Perimeter is 23.248. 248. Enter. Then come down. How much? 12.8. 12.8. This. So 12.8, or otherwise we have the yellow line. Escape. So this is the development of surface. Very simple problem. We finished the answer. But generally, we need to divide this circle in a 12 equal parts. So give the command divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide. I am repeating it, divide, enter. Select the object and this line, okay, colors. And enter the number of segment, 12, enter. Oh, I did it. I can't see the point. So last class I explained. These two commands are very important. Give the command and change the point style. P, T, Y, P, E, P type. Yes, P type. Okay, and select the point whatever you want. I will select this point and select the size. Check size how it looks. Now if I make it 1, enter. 1 is okay, good. It should not be too big, it should not be too small. You should select that point. Again repeat the command divide, D-I-V-I-D-E, divide, enter. Select the object, this line, and divide it in 12 parts, enter. Okay, and here also now I need to do the projection from the circle, and here I need to draw the projection line. So I will select the yellow color, and from this draw the line from this point. Yes, this is there, so I will draw up to here, enter. Okay, change the color line yellow. This line should be yellow, or we will delete it. It's create confusing. Okay, so now second, this point and this point will be same. So there will be two lines. Enter, enter. This point and this point will be same. Enter, enter. This point and this point same. Yes. Now it is important to give the numbering, or I can select this and trim it. Trim above. Click here and here. Click here and here. Keep the center line. Okay, this I can't trim because it is a short line. Yes. And this is a center line. Don't trim it. You have to keep it. So you can make this bilayer line. Bilayer line. And this is also a bilayer line. Okay. Now I need to give the numbering as I told you last time. So just I will move this only for weaving in single drawing. I will move this from this, and I will reduce the gap. Yes, all Control Z. Select all instead of this line. Right click, move from this point and up to here. So the point was not moved. Now this center line is too big. I will make it little small. This little small. Okay. And okay, no problem now. Now no change. So I need to draw the line from. Okay, I will use this as a construction line, and from each point you can draw the line. You can use the pattern command, yes, or simply draw if you don't know. And should be green perpendicular. Perpendicular should be green, otherwise don't click. Yes, should be green perpendicular should be there. This is called constraint. And without constraint, you are drawing, if you have, there is maybe an error and it will create a mistake. Okay. Now this is not complete yet, so I need to give the numbers. So enter text, single line text, and click here. I will start from 1. Okay, justify length 1 or 2 or 2.5. So I will try 1.5. Enter. Then angle 0. Enter. And what is the text? 1. Enter. Yes, it is very big. Escape. This is very big. I don't want. So what I will do, I will redraw or right click property. I will check it. What is the text? Text height is width factor. Height is 1.5. Make it 0.5. Check. It's big little 0.2. Yes. Check now. Oh, it's very small, or no problem. We can use it. It's very small. So I will make it 0.3. Yeah, good. Escape. As this is 0.1, it should be a here, and I will make it point by layer. Now select this point and paste everywhere. Copy selection from this point, make a ortho of, and now I am going to paste. If you go anti-clockwise, I will paste here, 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 little outside the drawing, and I will edit it button. Okay, same way I will put it here. This is 1 line, 2 line, 3, here, here, here. I will put it here. Then this is again return back, same, and here, and again shift. Okay, same number will become here. This is line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, escape. And now we need to edit the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So select this or double click and write here 2. Enter. Again select this, write 3. Enter. 4. Enter. 5. Enter. 6. Enter. 7. Enter. 8. Enter. 9. Enter. 10. Enter. 11. Enter. and the last point will be as a one only. Starting and end will be same. Okay. Now this is a development of the surface for the circle. So here I need to draw the line. I will change the color, something remaining. So here I need to draw the joint needs point. Yes, if you see from top, that line will be C if you draw. So this is complete the answer for the first drawing. C. Now we'll move to the D. Okay. Still not finished. You need to give the dimension. This is a center line. This is a center line. And line type, as I told you, center line. Yeah, scale is good, or you can change the scale and change the color by layer and give the dimension. Dimension I will give you at last. Now same drawing I will do for D. So I will select this drawing and right click, copy selection from this point. I will put it here. Escape. Ortho on. Yes, escape. Now here, if this circle D now, suppose now this is 3.6, but I will repeat it here. If this circle is cut like this, okay, now this distance I will change it because it is 12.5 maximum. Okay, so I will make it 12.5. So instead of this, I will make it 12.8, and this distance 9.5. Okay, it's less than this. So same, I will not change this drawing. Okay, so I'm going to draw a D with this dimension only, no change. So 12.8 and 9.5. Then I will cut like this. Okay, so see now. So this line I will delete it now for now. Okay, and now I will offset this line. How much? 9.5. 12.5. It is like this already. 9.5 only. So select, click offset. 9.5. Enter. Up. Okay, so this line, this point, this is like this. Now you can see here what I told you before. Bilayer line and dimension linear from this point up to this point is 9.5, and from I need to change the style. Style is not good. It is very big. Yes, 12.8. So this style I need to change it again. Dimension arrow is very big. I will make it half, more than half. Okay, so 12.8 as per this drawing. 12.8 I keep it here, and this is 9.5. Now develop the surface. If your cone is I will delete this. Yeah, if this cone is cut means like trim, so I will trim this. If it is cut like this, yes, don't collect the center line, this and this. If it is cut by hacksaw, there's no need, so I will delete it. It is cut like this. So what you have now, you have to draw the development of surfaces. So same again, we need to measure this length and we need to mark here and here. Okay, escape. Number 2, we need to measure this length and mark number 2 and 12. 2 and 12. Okay, because here 2 and 12, two lines are there, this separate. Same 311, measure this length and 311. 311. So how I can measure? I will measure it and delete it like last video. I measure and mark the point and 0. So here no need. I will change the color yellow and I will project the lines. From this point I will project the line here. Say up to here or outside, no problem. Make it up to here. Enter from each point. So the same length I will come here. So I can choose here. Enter from this point. Enter center line. there is a two lines, so this will not become center line. I will redraw the visible line there. Enter this ortho make it ortho yes, enter from here, and this line is already here, no need this escape. Okay, so this points, now I need to make it the points. I will select the boy layer color and now click on point. This is a point, multiple point. Okay, just click on multiple point and just see now number one line touching here, number two touching here, 12 and 2, one is here, okay, 3 here. So goes on like this. I know this is no need of numbering, we are not making mistake. Next, and we will get last point here. Then next we will get last point here. So go corner each. So this is not a rocket science, just the logic, each corner, next point. Okay, and then I need to draw a spline here. Spline, what again? If the circular part is there for cone and cylinder, it is a circular, so we need to use another command, spline, spline. Okay, spline, spline. Okay, now I will draw the spline and we'll finish the drawing. Okay, so click on spline, spline through spline fit, and select first line, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh is only one, two. Yes. Escape. Oh, sorry. So click on spline fit, and click on the line, each point. And then close your enter, click enter. Okay, so if you want now I will trim it. I will trim all the parts better. Here I don't need whatever I am unable to cut. I will delete it. You can delete this line also, no need. Control Z. This line I will keep it here, and this line I will delete it. And this line also up to the first point, don't keep it outside. Here also I'll zoom it and I come to know this point. So this I can trim it or I can keep up to here. So this is development of the surface. Here also remaining. Don't miss any line. This projection, no problem if you keep it or not. Yeah, this is a development of surface, and now we need to give the dimensions. So I will change the dimension style again. Okay, so before that I will make one dimension so that I can get it the exact idea. So this is very big. Okay, so this distance between extension line, this is very good. I like that. Okay, so I will change this now. I can go to the annotation, the modify dimension style. I will get it modify, and now I will keep this here, and I can see text height. First important is 0.5. Let's say no. If I click OK, then it will change. No, so I can't say no use. So I will put it 0.3, 0.3. Then this offset from dimension line. This is good. This is one little more, so I will make it 0.5. This distance. Okay, for text. Now arrows are very big. I will make it 0.5 or 3. Mark Okay, good, no problem. Here I will not change. Then lines, extension line. This distance, it is okay. I can put it 1. Okay. And beyond, yeah, this is too much. So baseline, I can make it 0.5, no problem. Extend beyond dimension line 1. Offset from 1, and here it is making 0.5. Offset from origin means here offset this distance is 1, okay. And this distance is 0.5, this distance is 0.5 or 0.2 or 0. No, make it 0.5. Okay, and close. Yeah, this distance is little too much. See gap, but doesn't matter. The arrow size is very small. Better I will do it again. Modify or give the few dimension and change from properties. That will be better. Text. So text is little small. 0.5, okay. This offset from dimension, okay. This is too much. 0.2. Yes. Symbols, arrow size is very small. 0.5. And this, okay, no change here. No change. Or okay, make it 0.3, 0.5, and say okay, close. Yeah, this looks good. Select this and make a yellow. Then what will be the height? This no need to mention because it is already here, so no need. This is a calculation. And one more I need to mention what is given to me here, this height by yellow, escape, and again I will make it yellow, and I will give this height as 12.8, and the diameter, not radius, diameter is here 7.4. This dimension should be there. So this is the development of the surface for the cylinder.